5-star ride, mate. See ya. Focus, Mac. Gotta get through this. Find your smile. Hey! Hush, puppy. Big fan of your channel.
It's Tiger.
Yeah.
Tiger selfie.
No,
Here we go.
No, mate.
Roar!
No selfie.
Come on, big roar. Roar!
Raw.
Epic.
Get in the car. What the hell? What kind of music is this?
Tiger here live from the Hashmobile with the Driftmeister Mac McAllister. Give us the 411 on drifting, Mac.
Right. It's simple, really. Just get to a high speed, then steer hard. Here, check it out.
This is gonna get me some views for sure. Tiger selfie!
I can do this all night.
LOL!
Did you just low out loud?
Whee!
And there you have it.
Go again, but like, really go hard.
Look, I don't wanna...
Customer's always right.
Fine. You know what? We'll go to my favorite drift run. Great job on the setup, by the way. Lighting up those tires is a piece of cake.
Setup?
Let me guess. This car was already set up for drifting when you bought it.
Duh. Where'd you learn to drive like that anyway?
London. I ran with a crew from Hackney that boosted cars when I was young and stupid. I learned to drift corners for speed and got damn good at it.
That's straight up OG, fam.
Please don't say that. There, real music. This might get a little intense, Tiger. You better not get sick.
Are you kidding? I play lots of racing games. Can't wait to upload this puppy. Wow, this is intense.
I'm just getting started.
Can we stop? I'm not feeling well.
Can't hold it together?
I'll try.
You said go hard. Customer's always right, remember?
Killer! Stop the car. Stop the car!
Whoa, 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 whoa! So, hush puppy. Hard enough for you? Tyler, is that you, bro?
Hey, Mac, it's been a while.
It's been a rough 6 months without the old crew.
You're telling me. Mac, I have a job in mind.
You off the leash? You know I'm always down.
Just like that. You're bored, aren't you?
So bored, mate. Is Jess on it too?
I'm working on it.
Hey, Mac. Did you get a shot of me puking?
Work faster.
Easy. Easy. Okay, vault's open. I'm in. Jimmy, cover me and watch for guards. Look at this hole.
You guys are late. I hate waiting.
What? Lady, we're in the middle of a robbery here. Ah! Jimmy!
Damn it, we gotta get out of here.
Just so we're clear, you're paying for 2 extractions, no matter who makes it out alive. Damn it! Okay, I know a guy. Hold on!
We're not gonna make it!
Oh, come on, this is just a bit of fun.
All patrols be advised. Possible robbery at the casino district. Sending units to investigate.
Miller?
You're doing this now?
Jess, it's Tyler. You got a minute?
Tyler? Hey, stay on the tarp. If you bleed on the seat, I swear to God. Hey, Ty, really not a great time. Sorry.
Jess, wait. I got a plan.
6 months later and the first time I hear from you, you need something from me?
Jess,
Tyler, seriously, I'm a bit busy right now.
Confirmed robbery in casino district. Vehicle is a black Audi. One subject with possible GSW. Last seen heading north on Coolidge Street.
Adam 35, confirm control on the lookout.
God damn it, Tyler. I told you this isn't a good time.
Yeah, what the hell, Tyler?
Let me talk to her. Hey, Jess.
Mac? Ty must be really desperate if he's pulling you in.
Nah, you know me. Just in it for the giggles.
Is this where you pitch me Tyler's plan?
No way. Wouldn't do it if I were you. He wants to take on Lena.
Lena? She's with the house now. Jesus Christ, you two. No way. I'm out. Tell the guy Jess sent you. He'll patch you up.
Repeat. Suspects last seen in black Audi. Radio in with location.
Adam 35, we have a possible match on North Carson Street.
Copy that. Sending additional units.
Put Mac on.
Look, Jess, this plan is foolproof. All we need is your...
Ty, Lena and the house. Put Mac on.
Can't help yourself, can ya? You're interested.
The plan. How insane is it?
Oh, man, it's mad. Cop chases, stunts, crazy heists, nothing up your alley.
Lena alone screwed us 6 months ago. Now you want to take her on with the house? Look what happened to Rav.
It'll be different this time. For the 3 of us, we could do it.
The whole crew back together, huh?
Come back, Jess. Let's do this.
Tell him I'll think about it.
Suspect's car last seen heading northbound to Liberty Desert.
1 Adam 13 en route. Adam 13 to control, I located Black Audi. Show me in pursuit, requesting backup.
Copy that. Sending additional units your way.
I built this ride just for you boys. Let's dance.
Adam 13, please provide a location update.
Now heading westbound through Boomville.
Copy that, Adam 13.
Just dead in their bumper. They're not slowing.
What the hell are you doing?
835 route of the pursuit. Our unit's been immobilized.
Copy that.
Subject eastbound on I-34, Ember Valley Parkway.
Not hard enough for you!
Going for a ram.
Subject. Vehicle now southbound on Silver Rock Beltway.
Copied 1 Adam 6.
1L30, my car's totaled. I'm out of the street.
Copy that.
Subject now heading eastbound on I-620 Providence Parkway.
Copy.
Adam 13, we've got no more units in pursuit.
Units be advised, visual on subject has been lost.
They've gotten away control, last seen heading westbound through...
Jess, hey.
So, about this stupid plan of yours.
It's not... Yeah?
Let's meet. Where are you?
This is the dumbest plan I ever heard. I left the game because of crap like this.
The best crew in town always gets a racer in the rush. So all we have to do is beat all the Silver Rock street leagues and I'm in. Mac will handle the off-road and drift. I'll do the rest.
What about the house? They control every dirty deal in town.
Well, that's where you come in. They'll have a bulletproof setup. Talk to your underworld contacts, figure out what it is, then we take it out.
So, win the race, watch the house burn while we count our piles of cash.
Simple.
Fame, fortune. Leah Navarro getting what she deserves. You idiots are gonna get yourselves killed without me. Guess I'm in.
Yes!
Rav? You know we can't pull this off without our master engineer.
You're so full of it. If you're that desperate, I'm in as well, and you can use my garage, but there are a few conditions. First...
Whoa! The crew's back together, baby!
Serenity now. Either of you fools even have a car?
Oh, I
staked
sort
it
of
on
lost
that bet.
mine. It's
It
a,
was a
it's a
sure
long
thing.
story.
Seriously? There are cars in the back. Clients who never paid. I'm surrounded by